Here's how to make a professional-looking booklet in Canva quickly and easily. Open Canva and click Create a Design. In the search bar, type Booklet and select it. Canva will open a blank canvas already set to the correct booklet dimensions. Now browse the template gallery. Canva has hundreds of pre-designed booklet templates ranging from minimal and modern to bold and colorful. Find one that matches your purpose, whether it is a school project, business portfolio, or event program, and click on it to open a copy. Once your template loads, customize it to make it your own. Double-click any text to edit it and replace the placeholder content with your own. Swap out the images by uploading your own photos or choosing from Canva's library. Adjust fonts and colors from the top toolbar to match your style. Add or duplicate pages as needed. When everything looks great, download it as a PDF and it is ready to print or share. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.